So guys, we cut up the chicken. That's the chicken breast there. Okay, slice it long way. This one, I mean, you can cut it anyhow you want, but me choose to cook it this way, right? And then me cut up the vegetable, garlic, onion, sweet pepper, regular pepper. I mean, this time we'll use chili pepper, tomato, scallion also. And this is the Bok Choy. So what happened is, guys, because the white part little bit longer if you cook, we'll cook them in stage. So we separate them because we're going to cook the white. We're going to put in the white first and then add in. So in the way I'm going to cook this is adding stuff. All right, so here is it now. I'm going to season the chicken, right? We're not going to season the greens, right? We just washed it and cut it up and separate it. And this is also the season. We're not going to put it on the chicken, no. Because we're going to brown the chicken. So we're not going to put this on there. We're just going to put, you know, regular little seasoning on there just to get the chicken to brown. All right, so now I'm going to season the chicken. All right, I'm going to put, a lot of people don't eat this stuff, but I'm just going to add a little bit of it. Just a little, because it's strong. You don't have to use a lot of that type of stuff. It's just, yeah, soy sauce. A little soy sauce. All right, Worcestershire, whosoever can call it. All right, put a little pan in. I'm going to put a little bit of fish and meat pan it. It helps flavor. Although most, you know. So we are trying to make this thing a brown. Right, a little bit of this. Island spice, all seasoning, all purpose. Let me say a little bit, but season to taste. Right, so that's that right there. And ginger, guys, ginger. I buy the ground one because sometimes the other one spoil, so you can't get it this way. So, right, some ginger. I'm gonna add some cumin or coriander, whatever one you want to call it, just a bit. It's strong. Little bit of garlic powder. Right, later we're gonna put in the garlic in the pot, but just to help out little. I like a lot of garlic. So as I said, guys, there's no measurement, is what you like, right? I'm just showing what kind of seasoning. Now I'm gonna use one of this. This is kind of salty, so you gotta be careful of it. But I'm pretty sure the island spice don't have too much salt in it or anything else. Everything else just a bit. All right, and I'm going to add a little bit of browning, still some color, for some color when we brown the chicken. So when it don't look too whitey. You know, some people cook on the chicken, something just look whitey. Me not like it whitey business. So there. All right, and we just go mix this in. Right. All right, so I'm just going to use my hand and I'm going to mix it in. All right, nice and brown. I'm going to rest this for about 5 minutes. Usually I don't season meat and rest it too long. All right, guys, so this is it. Simple for now. All right, just make this one. Actually, sorry guys, I forgot my little lemon. You know, chicken nice with lemon. Little lime juice, right? See, lime juice, little lime juice. And that's that. Alright guys, so I'll be back in just a moment. Alright guys, so we're going about to brown the chicken. Alright, so we're going to use the coconut oil. Alright guys, it melt. Guess what? The kitchen so damn hot. It oil melt and look liquid, but it was frozen, just seize up like coconut oil for some reason. That's how it look. Right, so we're going to put a couple big old heavy duty teaspoon, table, cooking spoon, whatever you want call it. I eat this, yeah. See it, big spoon, giant spoon, soup spoon, whatever you want call it, yeah. You know. Anyway, so we put little oil in there, right? It's gonna just mixing up some additional, just mixing it. All right, so see the oil bubble, so you know it's hot, and a little bit hot, or you can burn off your finger, something. All right guys, so we're gonna put in the chicken. All right, we're not gonna overload the pot because we want it to brown pretty. Guys, so it just take a couple minutes to cook. It look like I like maybe can go in there. Maybe. No. Gonna make that brown on it to this. Guys, breast don't take long to cook, so we just want to brown it a little bit, take them out and put in the other one. Okay, so we just gonna brown this set and take them out and put in the other sets and then come back. Alright guys, so this is it now. It has finished up. This is the last set. So I'm gonna take out these outside pots and place them right here because it's breast, guys. Because it's breast and it's easier to cook, we can't overcook the breast. So me just brown it up a bit. Right? See it in that plate how it looks. It brown pretty. And no whitey. Alright, so now I'm gonna add in the garlic and the oil. Alright, so now I'm gonna add in garlic. I'm gonna add in the garlic and first. The time I'm going this time. Alright. Add in the onion. Flavor the bottom of the pot a bit. Fix it. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and add the carrot because the carrot is one of the hardest ones to cook, but we still don't want it too soft. Alright, so add in your carrot. Let it cook for about 2 minutes and then put in the rest of the stuff. Alright, so just a saute the carrot a little bit. Just a little bit, so carrot. I don't like carrot them too soft, but you just let it fry up a little bit. Just get a little bit of cook in it. So by the time everything go back in there, it's going to be fine. Alright? Just let them cook a little bit. It's been about a couple minutes, guys, so the rest of the vegetable I'm just going to put these in here and I'm just going to let them saute, and then we're going to put the chicken back in here. Going to put the chicken back inside the pot with everything. Alright. Alright guys, I decided that I want to put the coconut to give it a flavor, because coconut, me love coconut. Me love coconut raw, me love coconut. Anyhow you give me coconut, me eat coconut. So me love coconut. So me love the flavor. So I'm just going to put a little bit of it in there. Just for a bit more flavor. And guys, it's the Grace. It's just the package one. The powder coconut. Not gonna do anything, just for flavor. This pot is gonna be full with flavor, I'm telling you, full with flavor. Alright, so this could be the long way for some people for Bok Choy, because they just chop up and just put everything in, but stage by stage. Alright, so now I'm going to add in the Bok Choy. But I'm going to add the Bok Choy. I'm going to add it white part first. Alright, so white part first. White part is harder to cook, or take a little bit longer than the leaf, because the leaf, once it swings up, it cooks. What do you call it? Swing up. Whatever. Any proper way you know want to give it. Once it swing up or shrink up or come small, then you know how it goes. Alright, so I'm going to give that a stir and make it cook for about 2 minutes. Guys, 2 minutes. Alright. Alright, see it guys. Alright, so this is it. Now I'm going to put the leaf in. Alright, the top part, which is the green part. Alright. a stir. Alright, and let it just steam. We don't want no whole bunch of water in it. And guys, it's the coconut thing make it, you know. We don't want no whole bunch of water because our rice we're going to eat it with. Alright, I'm going to show you rice. Some people like them carrots small, some people like them chicken smaller than this. However you like your stuff, that's how you cut it, right? Alright, and I'm gonna let this go for like 5 minutes and then it's done, it's ready. Alright. Okay guys, so I just had a little butter to it. That's what you're seeing here. It's just the butter melting. Right? So this is just about ready. Just making the butter melt a little bit. So chicken sapsuwi. See? The chicken still overpower it. It's like we needed more vegetable, but it's alright. See? So this is it. Finish. And the rice, guys, we're going to eat this with rice. You always spring up water because I tap I leaf. One lip of water in it. Alright, and this is the rice that we're eating with this. This is the rice. So we are eating basmati rice. Right? So this is it. This is the time on the top. See, the rice cooker cook this thing after we. Right? This is basmati rice, and that's what we're going to have with this. We're going to cut up some tomato. And that's that. Alright guys, so this is what it look like in a plate. Look yummy, no Cho? You want some? Alright. And this is the rice. And guess what guys? Find these pear at the Caribbean store. Couldn't believe. Look how pretty. Maybe it's pretty. But I hope it tastes good just like how it's pretty. It's pretty. So this is food and now me a care for my friend. Right? This is food for my friend and one for my dad. See? Care meat and so this is what we do with the food them when they cook. We don't eat here. We just cook and carry we. Cook and get we. That's what we do with the food. So my dad saying he wants some. So my dad, and then I'm going to take some over my friend. Guys, remember, if you like this video, please watch, like, and share. Hit the little bell. Just hit it. Don't even think about it. Just knock it. You can bust it up if you want. Just hit the little bell and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.